Hey everyone, this is Simon with Food Travelers. In this mini episode, we are doing a condo tour at the J-Tower Condos in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. Don't forget to support the channel and hit that like and subscribe button. Also note that I film shots during the day and some at night, so the video is cut interchangeably between the two. So as you enter the unit, there's a large cabinet with space to place shoes or storage items that you want to have near the entrance. Next to that is the kitchen, which is located to the left as you enter. The kitchen includes a refrigerator followed by a double sink, counter space, and a double induction burner at the end. Overall, there are plenty of cabinet space both above and below the counter, especially if it's just for one or two people. The condo is located in BKK1, which is an area that is very popular for expats, especially those from the West, due to the many surrounding buildings, restaurants, and shops incorporating Western amenities and comforts. This was true for myself, as growing up in the States, I'm just used to having certain things a certain way. Located opposite of the kitchen area and on the right side is the washing machine, microwave, and additional storage space that can be used as a pantry. In my case, I just had medication and some cleaning supplies. The unit is 45 square meters or approximately 484 square feet in size. It's technically a one bedroom and one bathroom unit, but had an option to kind of make the space seem more like a large studio unit. And you'll kind of see that, and I'll explain a little bit more further in the video. So just past the kitchen is the living room, which I did move around the furniture a bit to cater more to what I liked. The unit does come furnished, so the desk, TV, light fixtures, and couch were included in the rental. On the left wall is the TV with cable included, as well as areas to the left and right of the TV to place any items for display. In my case, I just had some equipment, my hats, and some gifts I received. There are two AC units, one located near the kitchen and the other in the bed area, which is nice because if you did end up closing the wall to separate the unit, each side of the unit would actually still have its own AC to use. The separator wall was a pull-out that slid from the wall of the kitchen to the balcony wall. It was a nice option to have, but I actually never used it as I like open spaces more, and having it open really felt much nicer than when I had it closed. The unit I was in was a corner unit on a high floor, so it really received lots of light, especially with the floor to ceiling windows that lined two sides of the unit. All windows had curtains, as well as the heavier blackout curtains when you wanted to block the heat from the sunlight, or at night if you didn't want to see the lights of the city. The views from the unit were spectacular, as I did actually spend quite some time just standing out on the balcony, which was large enough to enjoy. At times I would place a section of the couch on the balcony to sit and relax while enjoying the city views. There were a couple of windows that opened as well, one located in the living room opening to the balcony and the other at the top of the bed. The windows also had insect screens, which is very useful to keep little critters, little insects out while being able to keep the window open and allowing any breezes to kind of shoot its way in and cool down the unit. In between the bed and the bathroom was a small hallway that had cabinets for clothes. There was enough space for one person, but I'd imagine that it would get pretty crowded for two people if they had to share. Straight ahead through the door is the bathroom, which included all the typical items you would see in your normal bathroom. However, in this case, it also included a tub with a large faucet and two different shower heads, including a waterfall shower head and a smaller movable one. Additionally, there was room on the side of the tub, which was very useful to store any shower items, or even if you wanted to sit down while showering. The bathroom actually had two doors. The second one connects the front of the unit or kitchen, essentially making the condo just one big circle when navigating the unit. Some of the amenities that the condo had were a sky pool, sky gym, and billiards that were open to about 11 p.m. each day, and they were also included in the rental.
And to support our channel, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the YouTube algorithm. And for more photos, follow us on Instagram. See you guys on the next episode.